last day of the that we can go hunting. Another about 2 days and it'll be done for the season here in Pennsylvania. We're standing here at the old grab and go, getting a breakfast sandwich, and got two new things to show you here. Scott got new waders for Christmas. His own Christmas present to himself. So he doesn't have the non-insulated waders on, so he'll be much happier today. Okay. And I ended up with a new vehicle now. So the old Pathfinder gave me a lot of good years. Did a lot of hauling, hauled a lot of wood, did a lot of camping trips. But she's giving up the ghost, so we had to go get us a new truck. So hope this will be the maiden voyage for the Explorer here, putting the boat in and going on a duck hunt. So hopefully today we'll be able to do something. It's supposed to be about 45 degrees today, and winds a little bit windy, and then but gusts up to like 40 mile an hour. So I'm not sure how it's going to go today, but we'll give it a shot, Scott, see what happens. Hopefully we don't get blown off the island and shoot us some waterfowl. We'll see you in a bit. Here we go. Here we go. We got Scott all nestled in there. Don't take a nap now. Don't fall asleep. I have to promise that I won't fall asleep. But we're at shooting light. We heard some honkers flying. We're in a little bit different area of the lake according to the wind. So let's see what we can do here. See if we can get any birds to come in. They're turning. I can't see them right now. I think they're coming back. I don't know where they went.
I thought they were turning this way.
They did. I thought maybe they're coming up over the back of us, you know. So we decided here to pick up and move. We had 2 geese fly over. Couldn't entice them over though. They seem to be on a direct line out of here. Right now we got the sun. It was supposed to be extremely windy with gusts up to 40 mile an hour and cloudy, partially cloudy. And we ain't seeing hardly any clouds in the sky, and this sun is just right in our face. We couldn't shoot if we wanted to shoot, or if we couldn't see to shoot if we wanted to. So we're going to pick up and move over to the other side of the island, because the wind is definitely not gusting at 40 mile an hour, and there's not very many clouds in the sky here to give us any relief. So best thing to do is move across. So we're going to do a fast move. So the wind's kicked up pretty good here. What did I tell you? As soon as we move, the wind's going to kick up. We moved and the wind kicked up. So you can kind of see out here, it's starting to white cap. It wasn't white capping when we came across. We're not in a good spot. We're just trying to do the best with what we got here. I don't have very high hopes. And another sucky thing here is his Scott found out his brand new wader's got a hole in it, so he's got to take it back, take him back here. I think he got a wet leg, wet pants, but I don't think you're flooded, are you?
No.
Yeah. So that sucks.
Stop us.
That sucks. But like you said, that don't stop us. So I don't have too high hopes here. It's really windy. Wind's not in our good direction, but everywhere that is a good wind direction, somebody's there in the blind. So there's a little bit of shooting going on, but I don't know what we're going to see now. So we'll give her a shot. So we ended up standing here. I don't know how well you can hear me with the wind blowing on us, but the wind's really kicking here. Wind's right in our face, and I don't like that. It's not the best place to be. On the other side where we were at, it was a little calmer because I think we were shielded from the wind. But the sun, you couldn't even look out of the decoys because the sun was just blasting us in the face. So the last time I was here, about 2 weeks ago, about where Scott's standing, I could sit in a chair. So the water's definitely up. Wind's so hard here, it's just pushing the decoys. I can't keep those two out, so I'll just leave them in here. Get anything that are holding are the ones with the J hooks. And I got a line on out there with the 2 anchors on it, on the line. Some of those kind of went over the line and fastened themselves, like the weights fastened themselves to the line, so that's holding them there. That's fine with me. So forgot to bring my calls out in my pocket here, and I just don't want to walk back to the bag to get them, although I should. So we ended up just standing in the brush here, which is fine. Guys that are across us from us there, they're hunting straight into the sun. That's the blind I talked about being, it's a good spot other than the sun. If it's a full sun, it's right in your eyes and you can't see. And right when we were getting ready to move, we were going to move up to the blind up here from the other end, which would have been perfect. Somebody else jumped in there and took it as we were getting ready to come up. So good for them. So we'll just kind of stand here and for a while and just see what happens. So Scott and I are going to call it quits here. It's really getting windy, and I guess they were calling for it to start at like 6-7 o'clock this morning. I guess it came a little bit late, so you can, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's white capping out through there. I'll zoom it in, but it's white capping out there. My decoys are getting all blown all over the place here, so we're just going to call it a season and dream about next year. Try to get prepared for some stuff. I see somebody else is going in over there. One of them guys, I don't know. Somebody's heading in. So we're going to call it a day, but it's not done with our videos here. Make sure you subscribe and like, and share it with somebody else who might like it. We're going to do some other things here. We got a bunch of cooking to do. We got knife sharpening to do, and we got the care of the cast iron pans. I just got a little bit tied up with work, and I also do ice sculptures, so I got tied up with doing the ice sculptures and family things, helping my father-in-law and the holidays and that kind of stuff, and it just, I got behind, and so I didn't want to throw out just crappy videos. I wanted to make sure that they were quality. So we're going to get back on tune here and and keep the channel going. So please, again, subscribe and like and share it with somebody else who you might think that might enjoy the channel, and we'll see you in a bit. So Scott, I don't know if they can hear us or not. It's really, really windy, but it's wrapped up another hunting season. Had a good time, man.
I did too.
Definitely. And looking forward to next year already. I mean, it's shooting won't help this year, but there's always next year. I'm looking forward to it too. You still addicted?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, man. Well, let's get these decoys loaded up in the boat, and then we're gonna have to try to figure out how we're gonna get off this island, because this wind will just blow us right back in, so we get it out and move it, you know, and so we don't hit the prop on the ground, you know. So alrighty, let's do her. So the wind's that bad, there's no way we're going off that island that way. So what we just did was we packed up the boat. We're getting pretty good at it. I was used to packing for one. Packing for two is even more of a challenge. But we got her. But we just walked the boat the whole way around the island here, so that the wind blows us off of the island on the opposite side. It took a little bit to get here, but I think it was worth it. What do you think?
I do.
Right on. Okay, and away we go. A little bit of a wet ride. That daggone guy left. We could have taken that blind. It's just too windy. It's too windy. Can't keep decoys just about in place. Gotta slow down here, we don't bounce. Uh-oh. Lost us a decoy. Can you get it? Was that the one that was up on top there? Okay.